Hello, I am Kara. I am your consumption assistant. I represent the company Moloch, which has created a huge megalopolis. As you may have noticed, the mighty black Haribo does not allow me to show my face. According to him, we only serve to support your consumption. We do not have names or surnames. We are there to serve you. Our fair stand is designed with your convenience in mind. Here you can buy demonic Haribo figurines, devotion keychains, and fill out an entry form to the megalopolis. Our cruise ferries are already waiting for you. You don't have to do anything. We will do everything for you. For years, our company has specialized in taking the hassle out of all your activities. Our priority is to make life predictable, safe, and easy. It's amazing to see you in such large numbers today. Do you have any more tasks for me? I hope you are feeling well. When you choose Moloch, you are choosing to make life as easy as possible. Life has never been so easy. We have even created special inhalers to help you breathe. And our black suits protect you from any interaction. It's really wonderful. We are proud to be able to do so much for you. Have you already bought all the products? Don't hesitate, complete your shopping cart. We have a special relaxing cream soap just a moment away. I thought so. Our offer is irresistible. Have you already decided to purchase Ultra brushes? If not, know that the promotion lasts for 3 more minutes. Don't hesitate, buy now. If you don't have enough credit, ask for additional installments. With our Megalobank, anything is possible.
We are waiting for you!
Know that you are in the right place. We do all this for you. And what will you do for us?